In this video, I'll show you how to unblock messages on your Android phone step by step. Maybe you blocked someone because they were spamming or annoying you. But now you've changed your mind and want to start receiving their messages again. No problem, I'll walk you through the full process. Let's get started. First, open the Google Messages app on your Android device. To unblock someone, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Spam and Blocked. You'll now see a list of conversations and numbers that you've blocked. Scroll through the list and tap on the contact or conversation you want to unblock. At the top of the screen, you'll see the option Unblock. Tap Unblock and you'll start receiving messages from that person again. That's the first method. Here's another way to check. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the Messages app, then go to Blocked Numbers. This may open your phone's system settings, where you'll see a list of all blocked contacts and numbers. If the number appears here, simply tap the X or Unblock option next to it. Once removed from the blocked list, messages from that number will come through normally again. And that's it, simple and quick. If you found this guide helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more easy Android tips and tutorials.